In 100 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can use SSH No Ports to RDP into your device without it having any open ports. First, all we have to do is start up the daemon on our device. In this case, I'm on my Pi, and all we have to do is run this one command. The next step is to run the sshnp command on our client. And just like that, we're SSH into our device, and all you have to do is leave this SSH session running in the background. Next, open the RDP application of your choice, and simply RDP to localhost at the port you specified with the -o flag from the sshnp command earlier. In this case, I used 3000. And just like that, using your favorite RDP application, you are able to RDP into your device without it having any open ports. Here we can use nmap to scan our ports on our device. And you'll see that all the ports on a Raspberry Pi is closed. And that was RDP with no ports in action using SSH No Ports. If you can't wait for RDP No Ports, then don't worry, because you can RDP using SSH No Ports right now. Purchase SSH No Ports at noports.com. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask us at info@noports.com.